45 plus make sentences in English for kids. 1. Apple, I ate a juicy apple. 2. Ball, let's play with the ball. 3. Cat, the cat is sleeping. 4. Dog, my dog loves to run. 5. Egg, I had an egg for breakfast. 6. Fish, we saw a fish in the pond. 7. Game, this game is fun.
8. Hat, wear your hat in the sun.
9. Ice, the ice is very cold. 10. Jump, I can jump high. 11. Kite, fly your kite in the park. 12. Leaf, the leaf fell from the tree. 13. Moon, the moon is bright tonight. 14. Nest, the bird made a nest. 15. Owl, the owl hoots at night. 16. Pig, the pig rolled in the mud. 17. Queen, the queen wears a crown. 18. Rain, we need an umbrella in the rain. 19. Sun, the sun is shining brightly. 20. Tree, the tree is tall and green. 21. Umbrella, carry an umbrella when it rains. 22. Van, the van is full of boxes. 23. Wave, wave goodbye to your friend. 24. X-ray, the doctor took an X-ray of my arm. 25. Yarn, the kitten played with the yarn. 26. Zoo, we visited the zoo yesterday. 27. Bee, the bee buzzed around the flower. 28. Cake, the cake tastes sweet. 29. Duck, the duck swims in the pond. 30. Elephant, the elephant has a long trunk. 31. Frog, the frog jumps on the lily pad. 32. Grape, I like purple grapes. 33. Horse, the horse runs fast. 34. Jelly, I like jelly on my toast. 35. Key, use the key to open the door. 36. Lion, the lion roars loudly. 37. Mouse, the mouse nibbles on cheese. 38. Nest, the bird built a nest. 39. Orange, oranges are full of vitamin C. 40. Peach, the peach is very juicy. 41. Rocket, the rocket flew into space. 42. Star, I see a star in the sky. 43. Train, the train moves on the tracks. 44. Umbrella, use the umbrella in the rain. 45. Vase, the vase holds beautiful flowers. 46. Whale, the whale swims in the ocean. 47. Xylophone, she plays the xylophone. 48. Yo-yo, the yo-yo goes up and down.